In this video, I want to show you how to solve this trig identity. On the left hand side, I have sine x minus cosine x divided by cosine squared x. On the right hand side, I have tan squared x minus 1 divided by sine x plus cosine x. So the first thing, as you know, we need to have cross multiplication. So we have sine x minus cosine x times sine x plus cosine x has to be equal to cosine squared x times tan squared minus 1. Tan squared x minus 1. So that's the product of cross multiplication. And here these two, from difference of squares, we know that we can write sine squared x minus cosine squared x. So I can write cosine x. Here I will expand this tangent here. So we have sine squared x divided by cosine squared x. And here this one, I'm going to make it in such a way that we have basically a common denominator with the other one. So as you see here, we can cancel these two with the cosine squared here, and then the rest of it is going to be the same. So both right hand side and the left hand side are the same. So that's, sometimes I wrote theta, sometimes x. So that's how it is.